Face coverings have become a part of everyday life during the coronavirus pandemic, worn to prevent the spread of the disease. These particular masks have been specially designed in Edinburgh for lip readers.
A friend of mine said, see what you're doing, could you design us a mask for my son who's profoundly deaf? And that quickly grew into now what you can see as our third generation mask, working with the guys at NHS Tayside who did all the live trials, and it's just grown from there.
The result was a mask with a flexible plastic window, and trials have proved to be a success.
Breathe Easy have been working in partnership with charities such as Deaf Action. They're now calling for a clear mask like these to be made available to everyone, especially those working in a medical setting.
Yes, we want this to be available all over so that everyone is able to wear these kinds of masks. And for anyone that's likely to meet a deaf person that might need to lip read them, whether it's at home or in public transport, it can be really anxious for deaf people at home and going around about meeting people. So we want for people to have these masks so that communication can happen clearly.
It's a call supported by frontline health workers.
Lip reading is such an important component to the way we communicate. Even if we hear normally, it's an important thing. Facial expression is really important. And I think that's where the clear component to these masks makes all the difference.
Face coverings are already mandatory on public transport in Scotland, and from tomorrow they will be compulsory in shops too. Laura Piper, STV News, Edinburgh.